The long-anticipated cleaning day has finally arrived, and to be honest, I've been procrastinating all day, and I don't know why. Maybe because this is going to be a bitch and a half. There's a lot to clean, and I don't have a lot of materials to work with, especially water, or a way to get rid of lots of water since I don't have bilge pumps. But we're going to make the best of it. Pretty happy with the V-berth where it is for now. Eventually I'll come back in here and do some more cleaning. But I'm going to keep working my way to the front of the boat. Now it's time for the forward cabin. It's like pooping. Gotta wipe your butt from the front to the back. Bit of a pinch. I guess this is the first problem of our episode. Here's what's going on. The marina wants me to move the boat. The boat is not ready to be moved. I go home the day after tomorrow until middle of December. So that means I have a little over 24 hours to get this boat cleaned and repacked with everything that's staying on the boat, and find a place for it to go and get to the airport. So it's going to be a really challenging 24 hours, and I don't know, I gotta get cracking. No sleep till Brooklyn.